A very good morning, dear students. In the last class, we discussed up to two properties based on MCR. Today, we will going to discuss the third property. In this third property, observe if NCX equal to NCY, you observe NC here x y. NCX equal to NCY both are equal when either these two suffixes means x equal to y or n is equal to sum of the two suffixes, nothing but x plus y. N equal to x plus y we can write. So this is the property. Based on this property, one application we will see. If 15C3R equal to 15CR plus 3, 15CR plus 3, then 5R, they are asking question. We have to calculate R value. So you have to observe NCX equal to NCY. X equal to y. Whether 3R equal to R plus 3? No. Suppose, first case if I take, suppose 3R is equal to R plus 3 if I take. R means left side, that is 2R equal to 3. R equal to 3 by 2. This is impossible case. Because R value always positive integer should come. So R value always positive integer should come. Means non-negative integers should come. So R value may be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that should come. So R value like this fraction will come, means that is not proper procedure. So X is not equal to Y. Then second case, N is equal to means 15 equal to X plus Y. X means 3R. Y means R plus 3. Very clear. This is 15 equal to 3R plus R means 4R plus 3. So plus 3 you take left side, that is 12. 4R equal to 12. So R equal to 3. So what is the proper R value? 3. So like this you have to apply these type of properties. So in CET level, most important this type of questions you should remember. Next property, NCR is equal to N by R into N minus 1 C R minus 1. Very important, you remember, you can prove also, no problem. NCR, in terms of N minus 1, R minus 1, if you want to express N by R, we can write R, N by R into N minus 1 by R minus 1 into N minus 2 C R minus 2 also you can write. Not only this one, N by R into N minus 1 by R minus 1 into N minus 2 by R minus 2 into N minus 3 C R minus 3 also you can write. See, these are the reduction formulas. NCR you can write like this or like this or like this, like this, like this you can, and so on you can proceed. So NCR in terms of N minus 3 C R minus 3 means like this we have to write. N by R into N minus 1 R minus 1, N minus 2 R minus 2, N minus 3 R minus 3, N minus 4 R minus 4, and so on you can continue this process. So this is most important formula you should remember. This is the fourth property you remember. Next, fifth property. NCR by property number 5. NCR by NC r minus 1. So NC r by n minus r means that is n minus r plus 1 divided by r we can write. You observe. NC r by NC r minus 1 equal to n minus r plus 1 by r we have to write. Just I am taking LHS part. So in LHS part you observe numerator is NCR. Denominator is NCR minus 1. Clearly. So NCR means that is n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. NCR minus 1. Clearly n factorial divided by r minus 1 factorial into n minus r minus 1, nothing but n minus r plus 1 factorial we can write. Very clear, these two cancel. So finally this is 1 divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial into this one, it will goes to numerator, nothing but r minus 1 factorial into n minus r plus 1 factorial by 1. So this one how to rewrite? You observe numerator terms. What are the numerator terms? R minus 1 factorial. So this is r minus 1 factorial. N minus r plus 1 factorial. So that is n minus r plus 1 into n minus r factorial. I told you. N factorial means n into n minus 1 factorial divided by this one r factorial. R factorial how to write? R into r minus 1 factorial. Then here what we left? N minus r factorial. This one as this we have to write. See here, these two cancel. R minus 1 factorial cancel. So finally, what we left? N minus r plus 1 divided by r. So this is nothing but RHS. So this is most important result you should remember. LHS equal to RHS. Next. One point you have to remember here. One simple example I am taking. 3C0, 3C1, 3C2, 3C3. Among these four values, which one is larger one? Larger one. So very clear. 3C1 means 1. 3C1 means 3. 3C2. What is 3C2? 3C2. What is the difference? 3 to difference 1. Nothing but 3C1. So 3C1 nothing but 3. 3C3. How to calculate 3C3? What is 3 minus 3? 0. Nothing but 3C0. 3C0 value 1. So this is 1. So among 3C0, 3C1, 3C2, 3C3, which one is larger number means there exist two numbers. That is 3C1, 3C2 largest. Next. 4C0, just I am taking 4C0, 4C1, 4C2, 4C3, 4C4, 4C5 does not exist. Okay. Among these 5 values, which one is larger number? So 4C1 means, 4C0 means 1. 4C1 means 4. 4C2, how to write 4C2 value? See. 4C2. how to reduce 4C to 4 into 3 divided by 2 factorial. So 2 times cancel, that is 6. So 4C2 nothing but 6. 4C3 very clear. 4C3. 4 3 difference 1, that is 4C1. Again 4C1 nothing but 4 only. This is 4. 4C4. How to answer 4C4? 4C4. 4 difference 0. Nothing but 4C0. 4C0 value 1. Very clear? Among these 5 values, 4C0, 4C1, 4C2, 4C3, 4C4, which one is largest number means 6? Nothing but 4C2 is the largest number. Suppose values are very small means we can write like this. Suppose larger numbers they given. How to calculate? For example, 100C0, 100C1, 100C2, 100C3, 100C4 and so on. 100C99, 100C100. Among these, which one is larger number? Without writing like these values, how to guess answer? So, at the same time, you should remember one formula. Suppose NCN or NCR values are there. Among these NCR values, which one is larger number? Suppose n is even number means NC n by 2 is the larger number. If you want to check here, this is n equal to 4 only, no? So which one is larger number means 4C2. How you got 4C2? Then what is the formula? 4C4 by 2. So 4 by 2 means 2. So that is 4C2. Similarly, 100C0, 100C1, 100C2, 100C3. This is n is even case. Which one is which coefficient is larger? Among these, how many coefficients are there? 101 terms are there. So among these 101 terms, which one is larger number? So which one is larger number means what is the formula? NC n by 2. So that is nothing but 100C 50. If you want, you can calculate among these 101 terms, which one is largest number means that is 100C50. Whenever n is odd case, sorry, even case, n is odd means there exist two larger terms. What are the two larger terms? NC n plus 1 by 2 or NC n plus 3 by 2. NC n plus 1 by 2, NC n plus 2 by 2. Whether it is correct or not, we will see formula. This is, you observe, n value 3. Which one is largest number means 3C1, 3C2. 3C1. So 3C1 means 3 plus 1 by 2. Means this is 3 plus 1, 4 by 2. 3C2 we got. Next. n minus 1. So you write this is n minus 1, this is n plus 1 by 2. So which one is largest number means NC n minus 1 by 2, NC n plus 1 by 2. So this formula you should remember. NCR, among these NCR, which one is largest means two cases we have to follow. N is even case, N is odd case. N is even means NC n by 2. N is odd means there exist two possibilities. One is NC n minus 1 by 2, NC n plus 1 by 2. So like this we have to answer. Which one is largest? Which least means no doubt about it. What is the least means 4C0. Here also 3C0. Here also 100C0. Least value. So largest means identification very difficult. So that if you remember this formula means you can write which one is largest means like that. So based on n is even case, n is odd case. Next. One example. In the page number means in your textbook, page number 151. Page number 151. Example number 17. What are asking questions is if NC9 equal to NC8, then what they are asking question? Find the value of NC17. So find the value of NC17. So N value, if you know NC17, you can calculate. Very simple. NC9 equal to NC8. So one formula. What is the formula? NCx equal to NCy. Two cases. One is x equal to y case. Another one is n equal to x plus y case. So x value 9, y value 8. So 9 cannot be 8. So first condition not suitable. Second one must be positive. Means n is equal to x plus 1, 9 plus 8. So from this n is equal to 17. So n value 17. What they are asking? NC 17. So therefore NC 17 is equal to 17C 17, nothing but 1. So 1 is the answer. Next, exercise 7.4. Exercise 7.4. First question. If NC8 equal to NC2, again same question only. NC8 equal to NC2, then what they are asking? Find NC2, then find NC2. So very previous case only, 8 cannot be 2. So n can be 8 plus 2, means x plus 1. So n is equal to 10. Therefore, what they are asking question? NC2. Nothing but 10C2. 10C2 how to write? 10 into 9 divided by 2. So this is 45. So like this we have to answer. 9C means NC2. Next. If NC 2NC3 is to NC3 equal to 12 is to 1 ratio, then the value of n we have to calculate. See here. 2NC3 divided by NC3 equal to, this is 12 by 1 case. So just the cross multiplication. 2NC3 equal to 12 into NC3. So just the NCR formula we have to apply. What is NCR? Means 2NC3 means 2n. We have to reduce 2 times. One is 2n minus 1, 2n minus 2. So 2 times we reduce. Divided by 3 factorial. Nothing but 6. Right side. 12 into NC3. So NC3 means n into n minus 1, n minus 2 divided by 3 factorial means 6. Very clear, 6 cancel. N cancel. 2 6 times cancel. Then what you left here? This is 2n minus 1. If I take 2 common, n minus 1 equal to 6 into n minus 1 into n minus 2. So n minus 1 cancel. So this is 2, 3 times cancel. So finally, what you have to see here? 2n minus 1 equal to, that is 3n minus 6. Minus 6 left side means this is 5. 2n minus 1 but n equal to 5. Like the same case only, you have to answer this question. Okay.